Hey friends, Tux here. I have a little bit of a cold, so I wanted to do a little pre-roll here and just let you guys know. I want to apologize, my voice is scratchy, but I did want to say that G Fuel makes a great holiday gift, and I will have a link for G Fuel right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. Alright, let's go ahead and do the video for Pewdiepie X Marzia. Hey friends, Tux here. I just got a brand new package from G Fuel. Yes, so we're going to check this out together. This is the Pewdiepie X Marzia special edition. So I just wanted to show you how it comes. G Fuel is really good about packing, lots of packing. They throw in some little extra stickers and stuff, which is always fun. And let's see what we have here. Oh, there's a bonus item too. Let me share this first. They've been doing this lately, I noticed, where G Fuel will actually include a bonus item. And here it is. Here it looks like there's a pre-made, pre-mixed bottle of this Runs Gone Wrong only in theaters G Fuel, which I hear is actually like kind of like margarita. It's tasty, it's fruity. They included this also last time where we did a box, which I don't think I did a video for, but it's pretty good stuff, so you might want to check it out. G Fuel does make a great holiday gift, so that's something to consider for the holidays. That this might be something really fun to give to somebody. Now this is the actual limited edition Pewdiepie X Marzia, and here's how it comes in its own little box, which I guess is Design Marzia, so that's pretty cool. We got the Pewdiepie logo, her little creations on here, Pewdiepie little lines and stuff, so pretty cool stuff. On the back here, again, Design Marzia. Really a fun little collectible box here. Pewdiepie's G Fuel is designed to give you energy, focus, endurance, and reaction time, improve reaction time to stuff, so that's pretty cool. Now the actual kit itself does include a couple little things here for you. It includes the flavor, okay, and this is a pretty big jug of powder. This is powder that you mix with water, okay, so you get about 40 servings, okay, which I think is pretty accurate. So this is a good amount of it, kind of comparable to, like, you know, Tang back in the day or something, but this is something where this costs about 40 bucks roughly. I will have the best price available and a link to G Fuel on Amazon in the description, so of course you can click that if you want. But good stuff here. I love the design. I'm happy they actually do things with Pewdiepie, and it's cool they get Marzia involved. Pewdiepie's wife involved too. She's pretty cool and has a YouTube channel, or she used to anyway. So anyway, loving that. Love the little creation. And then it looks like in here we have a couple things. They're giving another sticker. They really are big on giving out little stickers. So now we have a Marzia, Pewdiepie X Marzia sticker, which is pretty cool. And then of course there is a little tumbler with the little look of the Marzia package with a little pink top, purple stopper. There you go. And these are like nice little plastic cups. They're not quite as quality as like Razor and their different drinks where it's like metal, plastic with metal. This is just plastic. But it's a nice cup. It has a little part here for mixing and everything. So nice little plastic cup. These are fun to collect and trade and just hold on to. It's nice to have a few around or whatever. So this is pretty cool. This one I may take to work or something. G Fuel. So we got a little rip on our. Oh no, it's just little like little fuzz or something. So pretty cool. But nice little cup. Nice little G Fuel. And again, this might be a really easy, quick holiday gift, and that's my point. All these G Fuel flavors are really yummy, so I'd recommend them. I think my favorite probably is watermelon, but I honestly love the Pewdiepie flavors. They're really good. Very fruity, very just delicious, kind of tart, almost like pomegranate or something. It's kind of hard to describe, but I would recommend checking them out. If you like Monster, if you like energy drinks like Red Bull or whatever, give this a try. I bet you like this a lot, actually. And I find it's actually like a little bit lighter of a drink than like Monster or whatever. And actually, I think it's a lot better for you too, because it is sugar-free. So that's pretty cool. So okay, so don't mind the raw footage here, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a little drink here with this Pewdiepie new X Marzia G Fuel. Let's go ahead and cut this open here. I'll try and do this gracefully. I wish you wouldn't actually destroy the plastic wrapper, because it's so cute. Whenever they have these G Fuels, they have cool little containers, and I always feel a little bad kind of ripping apart, as you can see, ripping apart the thing, because otherwise you're just left with kind of a white container. And if you have several of these going at one time, you might not actually know which G Fuel you're drinking, so that's not good. Let me try and just pull this. Ooh, see, it's self-destructing here. This is not good. I guess I'll have to pull the top part here. All right, so I guess the rest is okay if I leave it like that. So there we go. Not too bad. And I'm going to use my previous Floor Gang Pewdiepie cup. We'll just take this off. And inside here, there should be a little scooper. Again, sorry about the lighting in this video. I was not going to have a live demo part of this, but I decided to go ahead. Safety sealed, so good stuff. We'll peel that off. And ooh, look at that. Yummy G Fuel. Look at that. Yum, yum. All right, let's see what we have here. It has a little scooper. You know, one thing weird about G Fuel, I always wondered about this. Okay, this right here, the little thing like to keep it like from being moist or whatever. Like this is what you find in like the bottom of shoes and things like that when you get them shipped from China. Like I've never had this type of package in a food product before. If you have, let me know, but that always feels a little weird to me. Like, well, plus what if this breaks open? Is it gonna mix with the G Fuel? Am I gonna have like Pewdiepie X Marzia / like preservative anti-moisture crystals in my G Fuel? And will I even notice? I mean, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. But anyway, so here's a little container. It looks kind of funky, I have to admit. Like, I've like kind of wish it would just be like a cup. I don't really need this top part here, but let me go ahead and just try and create a level cup here. Let me see. I think there's an easy way of doing this. If you know the easy way, let me know without touching all the G Fuel. There we go. So we have it opened. Okay, we'll just go ahead and kind of level this off a little bit. I don't mind a little bit extra. Pop this in the cup, just like that. Very good. Seal this up nice and tight so no ants get into it or whatever. Moisture gets into it. So I'll leave that over here. Now we have water. I'm just using Publix brand water, you know. I do like to chill it before I drink it though. Sometimes I'll even throw it in the freezer to make sure it's super cold. There we go, pouring that in. This is probably a little bit more water than I need, but I don't mind if it's a little extra watery particularly. And I'm really curious about the taste. Will this be like strawberries? Will it be like watermelon? Will it be like cherry? I honestly do not know. I'm kind of thinking pomegranate, but we'll give it a few shakes here. There we go. Give it a few more shakes. I like to have it nicely shaken, so not stirred. All right, and that's probably good enough. Let's go ahead and I'll just put this here, and I'm gonna give this a little try. Give this one taste here and see what this is like. I like the way this kind of like is airtight, snaps on nice. The cups are really nice for being little plastic cups. They do a good job. All right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna try this for the first time. Boy, I don't know what it tastes like. Wow. I may have to get back to you. I'm thinking strawberry, maybe? Anyway, guys, just another holiday gift idea for you. I'd recommend this. Check it out. I will have a link for you down below, okay? All right, friends. I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you like G Fuel videos, if you want more G Fuel videos down the road, longer ones, or like actual tasting, that kind of thing, let me know in the comments, all right? All right, we'll talk to you soon, guys. Great holiday gift. Click the link. Bye-bye.